girls judge your dick based on the size of your fires.
Eric's holding a match.
Eric has a tiny penis, get it? What?
No, we still did. What did you say?
I was like, because Eric has a tiny penis, get it? God damn it. Oh, I hope we all die in a fiery, flaming piece of...
Are you humping the red?
No, I'm just doing this because the wind is blowing this way and that log isn't getting lit, so I'm kind of evening out the wind.
I'm pissing the fire.
Why did you call your dick for his 10 logs up? She's like, damn, that's
I'm like...
like, yeah, that's that.
Well, I'm not done yet, so just enjoy, I guess.
Yeah, she's like, and that's that. See you
And
later,
kiss
buddy.
all leaving now.
She's like, see you later, buddy. Shit. I swear to God, if I keep freaking having fires like this, we're both gonna, like, in a month, we're both gonna be like, hey, how you doing? With all these fires we have. We're just on like the Marlboro, man. We're like, oh, aren't you? Marlboro, man. God damn it!
Oh, Marky!
Wait. Keep recording, AJ.
You're making my fire so
Okay.
big!
You make me want to say.
Don't put a lot of those on, because that actually suffocates the fire, bro.
But I like the big flames. I like them.
I like the bigger flames.
I like it in my
Yeah.
butthole.
So push me in, prick.
Alright, that's good.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be freaking awesome, man. Guys, jump over it as soon as I throw it in. Alright, bro. You got this, AJ? You got it?
You got any last
You got
words,
it?
Halen?
Yo, is it recording, bro? Yo, is it recording? Hey, bro,
Yeah.
bro. Yo, bro, is it recording?
It's going, go.
Alright, dude. Keep it on the fire. Sierra, you watch this too. It's gonna be awesome, man.
This is like the windiest night, too. My face is on fire!
Give me that fire! Now it's time to sacrifice the leaf. I'm so sick of heading there, it's funny.
I got one even better.
Oh god. I'm funny, fire.
You're so silly!
You're silly.
Caveman.
Fire good. AJ, go.